Okay, let's do a couple problems on the left-hand side here. We're going to start with number 7. Is that a little wonky? There we go. We'll start with number 7. They tell you the vertex is at the origin. That's in the instructions above the problem. And that the focus is at 6, 0. And then write an equation for that. So you need to determine whether this is going up, down, left, or right. And then copy that stuff from there. Go ahead and try that out. Okay, let's get you started here. Maybe we'll pause this as we go through. So the vertex is at 0, 0. There's the vertex. Okay, the focus is at 6, 0, so the focus is over here. Okay, well, because the vertex and focus are left to right, this parabola is going to be going left to right. The directrix will be over here somewhere, and that doesn't matter. Okay, they just want you to write an equation. Okay, the distance between these two is also c. That's going to be important. So to write an equation of a parabola going from side to side, we'll look that up and try to fill in the values. Okay, you can find C, and you know H and K are the coordinates of the vertex. So there they are right there. Go ahead and try to plug them in. Okay, I'm back. Hoorah! So let's write out the equation. For a left-right parabola, it's x equals 1 over 4c. Okay, y minus k squared plus h. Well, let me see here. The coordinates of the vertex are h and k. So h and k are both 0. The value of c is the distance between v and f. Well, what's the distance? 6. Okay, you're going to be able to count that off. Beautiful. Okay, let's simplify this a little bit. That's 24. The minus and plus zeros go away. So your equation, x equals 1 over 24, y squared. And this is the graph of the parabola. Beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's go ahead and try one more here. Let's look at number 13. Okay, 13. Y equals 4x squared. Okay, this is a y equals. I already know it's an up or down because the x term is squared. So that's a little hint for you. They want to know the vertex, focus, directrix, and graph. So the vertex, focus, directrix, and graph it. Okay, now you know this is an up-down. Up or down because it's y equals an x squared. So go ahead and look at all that stuff and try to figure it out. Go ahead. Okay. What I wanted to show you, and that might not be totally obvious, is that this 4 out here, let's write our equation. Y equals 1 over 4c x minus h squared plus k. Okay, to do all this stuff, I need to know I need to know C, H, and K. Well, I'm not subtracting anything inside here at the X, so H is 0. I'm not adding anything at the end, so K is 0. The value of C is a little more deceptive. The number out front is 4. I want the number out front to be 1 over 4C. Set those equal. Okay, so that's what, hey, there's a friend. So that's the equation you need to solve. That will tell you C. Go ahead and try to find the vertex, focus, and directrix. Okay, the vertex is HK. The focus is H and K plus C. The directrix is Y equals K minus C. Well, H and K are both 0, so that's 0, 0. H and K are both 0, and this is 1/16. We solved that, and we got 1/16. So 0, 1/16. And 0 minus 1/16 is y equals negative 1/16. When I graph this, I'm going to kind of exaggerate that 1/16. That's kind of a small number, and I want to be able to see that. So when I graph this out, I have the vertex at the origin, my focus at 0, 1/16, Because I'm exaggerating it, I'm going to be sure to label those. And my line down here is at y equals negative 1/16. And then go ahead and sketch your parabola. Okay, 3 questions.